Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com.
Now up first this evening, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has condemned yesterday's gun attack on 2 students of the Grange High School in Westmoreland.
The Prime Minister said the police have launched a manhunt for the men behind the attack.
A 16-year-old identified as Carson Bennett was killed and a 15-year-old girl was wounded.
As you'll hear in this report from Anthony Lugg, the incident has left the school administrators and the boy's family in shock.
The gates of the Grange High School in Westmoreland were opened on Friday, but there were no classes in session. The administrators took the decision after 16-year-old Carson Barrett was fatally shot along the roadway outside the school Thursday evening.
I would want to say, as a nation, keep heart with God. We can overcome.
On Friday, stakeholders including the police, the principal and the chairman of the institution gathered to discuss what transpired and the way forward. Trevine Donaldson Lawrence is the principal.
We are here to support our parents. We are here to support our students. The school still remains a safe space for our students.
We visited the community where the deceased teen lived. We learned his parents migrated to the U.S. and left him in the care of a cousin. The family is devastated.
Them take it hard, especially my little 6-year-old son, sorry. He take it really hard. He didn't sleep last night, he didn't stop ball because him and Carson was very close. He all call him brother for sure. You. And if you tell him, say, no, Carson, I know your brother, he say, yes, I'm a brother.
Preliminary investigations suggest the teen was the target of the gun attack. There are also reports linking him to criminal activities. We put the issue to his guardian.
He can't tell us saying, "Ina no gang." You understand? You not go swear for him, because you can't swear for nobody. But me no know if he in no gang, if you understand what I'm saying.
It's understood that teachers and students are now fearful. Some have already expressed concerns about returning to school. Carson's relatives argue that more should be done by the security forces to prevent incidents like these.
I think they need to do better and put more things in place to make sure say the communities are safe, the kids are safe going and coming from school. You understand? Because up by the monument they used to have soldiers there with barriers and stuff like that. So come in and out they would have checked.
Meanwhile, the school says the necessary support will be provided to the students during this time of grief. Chairman Samuel Williams is urging calm and is assuring concerned parents that it's still safe to send their children to school.
Send your children to school. We are stepping up with our security and the JCF and the supporting security teams are here, and we will be having on Monday the counseling, the trauma team.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.